Hello Decor Lab School students. My name is Julia, and in this video we'll show you how to create this gorgeous balloon tunnel. For this display, we also added the egg chair and some pedestals, and we're showcasing that as a bridal shower display. But you can play with the colors and other different additions to it, and you can set it up for any other occasions. Are you guys ready? Let's get started.
First you need to do is to put your copper base together. You can find a detailed video about how to create it and how to assemble it in our craft section. Next thing we're going to do is to add our balloons to the base to create the balloon tunnel. We will create our 6 balloon clusters by joining 2 11-inch, 2 9-inch, and 2 5-inch balloons. We also make clusters of 17-inch by 11-inch and by 11-inch to make a bigger cluster. So now we have clusters ready in 2 colors, double staff eucalyptus and willow. Now using a fishing line, we will create a garland by joining them together. Here we created a balloon garland length we need, and we need it about 8 foot long for the side of the base. Next we will attach it to the base with a fishing line. Make sure you double knot it. Now we will add these 8-foot garlands around the perimeter to cover all the sides of the base. We will use 2 6s to join garlands vertically between each other. Now that our sides are covered, let's create a 6-foot garland to add on top of our base. We will need 1 garland to cover the top of our base. To apply the garland to the base, we want to make sure that the top balloon garland is secured on all sides. Now let's add single clusters and dumbbell fillers to fill our imperfections. And just like that, our tunnel is ready. The next step is our fairy lights. We will attach them on a perimeter of the base and randomly tuck them in between balloons to give them an organic look. Lastly, we will apply our ivy around the balloons for magical forest look. We're simply just inserting the tail of the ivy in between balloons, letting latex grip on it and hold it in place. We will complete our design by adding an egg chair and pedestals to the display. And let's transfer our theme to these additions to add some greenery to it. And voila, a complete balloon tunnel display. Here we used 3D copper base, 6 by 8 foot, about 600 balloons in colors, double staff eucalyptus and willow, fairy lights, ivy for greenery, an aspidistra arrangement on a pedestal, 3 wooden pedestals, and an egg chair.
It took us about an hour to put this display together, but remember that our balloons were pre-inflated, so keep that in mind when managing your time for the installation. We made this setup to show it all for the drive-by shower, but you can use it for any other occasions. Just play with the colors of it and any other additions, and make sure you show off your work and tag Decor Lab School with it. Make sure you mark your calendars and join us for our weekly webinars where we share so many different tips and tricks on decor and business topics. And I will see you in the next video.